Hey guys, welcome to A Better Mess. I'm going to walk you through our subscription tracker within our digital life planner. So there are the step-by-step instructions where you can delete later. Here you're going to add the different categories for the subscriptions you have, music, business, fitness, etc. You can add cute little icons if you want. You're going to add the monthly cost, and the yearly cost will automatically populate. And then below, you are going to add the subscriptions under those different categories, and the billing cycle, monthly, annually, etc. You'll add the cost, the monthly cost, and then the yearly cost will populate, and you'll add the renewal date, and you can also set an alert there if you would like. So that's pretty much it. The rest of this video is just going to continue to walk you through and show you the different features within Notion and within the template, and let me know if you guys have any questions.